Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy security camera. This is a 360-degree pan and tilt camera. So here's everything that comes in the box. We do have to plug it in. This is the wall adapter. We've got a cord, a sticker, like a wall mount plate, some screws, and a sticker here also. So right off the bat, this thing's 4 inches tall and it's about 2 3/4 wide. So the cable that comes with it is USB-A. We're going to plug it into this power outlet. It's 80 inches long and it's USB-C output on the bottom or on the back. So we got to plug it in right here. There is a sync button right there, and that's also how we're going to mount it. But let's plug it in. Again, make sure it's plugged in all the way. Yeah, make sure that plug goes all the way in. There's a little spot for it to come out. Again, you can mount this on the wall, and then these will slide in there like that. You can mount this on the wall if you'd like, or you can just set it. There's these little feet. You can just set it. There's a QR code and a speaker on the back. You're going to use that QR code right there to help set it up. Now you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 0.35 amps, 5 volts, 1 amp for 5 watts. Okay, so I just plugged it in. Looks like there's a light on the front. And now it's moving. So it rotated all the way one way, now it's going back the other way. Okay, you need to log into the eufy security app. It can be kind of hard. Okay, now you're going to click add device. Click on wired camera. This is the C210. Okay, it's going to want to activate your camera. You're going to scan that QR code, then you're going to give it your Wi-Fi. Click the Wi-Fi you want to connect to and give it the Wi-Fi password. Okay, now it's asking me to press the sync button. 2 seconds till you hear a beep. All right, I heard a beep. Okay, so you have to click next in the app, and then you have to, your phone or your tablet's going to display a QR code, and then you have to point the camera at the QR code, and then it'll say next. So this
setup was successful.
All right, so this sticker must be the exact same size of this. So if you want a template on where to put the holes, you can stick that on and then you'll know right where to drill the holes if you need to, or just you can put those into wood. Okay, next you can pick how your notification is going to be. The quickest is you don't get as much information, but if you want a thumbnail included with the text, then you get this full effect or included thumbnail. Okay, so this is how the default is. The microphone's on, audio recording's off. Okay, we've got to insert a micro SD card. It shows you where it goes right underneath the lens. Okay, I unplugged it and now I'm going to put an SD card in. You got to kind of poke it so it won't come out. All right, let's poke it in. There, it snapped in. When you want to take it out, poke it again. So once you insert it, it wants to format it. Okay, so here's the video coming from it. I've got the pan tilt feature right here. Brings up a thumb wheel. Now I can move it. It's very easy. And I can also move it up or down. So it doesn't go quite all the way up or all the way down, but it does go pretty far. Yeah, the video quality out of it is very good. So if we press this little alarm button, it does have an alarm. It's not super loud, but it is an alarm. And then when the camera is activated, that red light there is flashing. So under the motion detection, the tracking was turned off. I turned it on. And now when I move, it does follow me. It has to see my face though, but it will, it will track me now. And so I can turn this on sound detection, motion detection. I can have it set to human. So if it won't, like if a tree branch falls, it won't warn you, but if it sees a human, it will. So this is an indoor camera only, and 1080p is the maximum resolution. You can speak to it. So if you see somebody, you can speak to them through it and you can hear them. AI detects and tracks human. A local storage with the SD card, and it works with the Alexa and Google Assistant. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.